Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Did you know we can use this pre-made pizza dough to make these delicious pretzels? And it doesn't require a baking soda bath? First, use room temperature pizza dough. Packaged pizza dough can be sticky, so sprinkle some flour on the dough to make it easier to handle. Mix some everything bagel seasoning into the dough, then cut the dough into 8 pieces evenly. Now roll each piece dough into a 15-inch long roll. This cutting board is about 15 inches, so I use this cutting board as my guide to know when I can stop rolling. By the way, if you find your plastic cutting board slipping like mine, use a piece of damp paper towel underneath it like this, so the plastic will stay on the countertop. There are many ways to make pretzel knots, so do any style you like. For me, I make a single knot. To make sure these pretzels will be full of flavor, I brush each pretzel with olive oil. Then sprinkle more of everything bagel seasoning on top of the pretzels. Bake at 375 degrees on the middle rack for 17 minutes. You know the pretzels are done when the bottoms turn light brown like this. Now brush more olive oil on top of the pretzels and sprinkle more of this everything bagel seasoning on top. See how soft and chewy this pretzel is? Do you hear that little crunch? Just like eating those pretzels from the shopping mall, soft, chewy with a little crunchiness. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos using pre-made pizza dough. Happy eating and see you next time.